going on, Jason? My name's Kyle. I just wanted to reach out and make you a video that can bring you and your business some value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally optimize your website to where you can drive in more traffic and generate more leads for your business. So I have 3 tips I want to share with you today. My first tip is the importance of content and keywords. Now, ultimately, you really want to build and design your website to Google's standards, and Google loves to see a lot of content. And the websites that have the most content, they're going to be the ones that have the authority on the topic. I mean, Google really strives to give its users the best experience possible by ensuring that these websites have everything that the user needs when they click on the website. So I recommend that you have at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. And another really big important reason to have that much content on your home page is because you need to have buyer intent keywords inside your content. That way when Google goes and scans through your page, they can find these keywords and they can rank you accordingly. Now, we use a tool here called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool and it buys data from Google. And one of the features is it allows us to search for these buyer intent keywords. And I know you're in Bennington and that's just right outside of Omaha. But Omaha has tons of search volume for electricians. So here you have Omaha electrician. It's being searched 400 times a month. Electrician Omaha, that's another 400 times a month. You even have residential electrician Omaha 80 times a month. And we have keywords for electrical. So you have electrical contractors Omaha 100 times a month. Even electrical switch installation Omaha 30 times a month. So as you can see, there's keywords for all your services that you provide, and there's buyer intent keywords for all your service areas as well. It's very important to have them in your content. It's just more keywords you have in your content, the more opportunities you can be found online. Now, my next tip for you is make sure that all your pictures are saved properly. Right now, when Google goes through your page, they see your page saved as Vision Electrical Services, which is awesome. You definitely want it saved with your company name because branding's important. But I'd also add a buyer intent keyword at the end of your branding. So I'd put, Electrician Omaha, or a keyword that you want to be found for. Now, my second tip for you is backlinks. Backlinks are also just as important. It's what gives your website power, and it's what pushes your website to the top of the organic section in Google. And the backlinks, they're links throughout the web that when clicked on will bring the user back to your website. It's almost like having a popularity contest and the person with the most backlinks wins. However, Google is leaning more towards quality versus quantity. So they want to see backlinks that are relevant to you. So that they want to see backlinks coming from other electrical websites or home improvement websites that have links linking people back to your website. Now, Ahrefs also allows us to see what's going on behind the scenes of websites. There are free tools that you can use as well. If you Google backlink checker and keyword finders, you can find the free tools you need to be able to do this all yourself. So Ahrefs shows us how powerful websites are. That's how the URL, the power. Shows us the domain rating. That's how trustworthy websites are. You brought over 4 people coming onto your website each month doing organic search. You're only being found for 5 keywords. And it tells us how many referring domains you have and how many backlinks that the referring domains are giving you. And these backlinks, what gives your website power, and it's what gives your website the trust factor. And you want these 2 numbers as high as possible, and you want them to be as close together as possible as well. You want to shoot for a ratio of 1. So I looked up one of your competitors in the Omaha and see what kind of numbers they're doing. This is David's Electric. They're in the #1 organic spot, multiple different ways, searching for an electrician in Omaha City. And they're also in the Google Map Pack. And they have a URL of 23, the power. They have a domain rating of 0.5, the trust factor. They have over 170 people coming onto their website each month. They have 36 keywords that they're being found for. They have 47 referring domains, giving them a total of 467 backlinks. Now, this is something that you can do with all of your top competitors. You can get all your top competitions backlinks, and you can get them linking back to you. You just go into the referring domains, and each and every one of these websites here has a link linking people back to their website. And you can do the same with yours. You just go into each individual site. Some you just might have to create a profile, and you can add your website that way. Others you might have to go to the contact us, email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. Now, my last tip for you was get to the top spot of the Google Map Pack. And in the Bennington area, you're already doing that. So that's awesome. But I would recommend continually adding citations so you maintain that top spot. And citations are considered backlinks. And all a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in directories throughout the web. Some examples of directories are places like Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. They're even considering social media directory nowadays, and that would definitely give your website more power. So, Jason, I hope this short video was helpful for you today. Just a quick recap. I think it'd be very easy for you to take over the market in the Omaha area just by putting 1,500 words of content on your homepage with those buyer intent keywords so Google can find you. Then get all the backlinks all your top competitors have and get them linking back to you. And finally, keep adding your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in all across the internet in more directories than your competition has. If you follow these 3 tips, you will generate more traffic to your website and you will generate more leads for your business. Again, Jason, I hope the video is helpful. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to reach out, and have an awesome day. Thank you.